Hey guys, in this video you'll learn how to set up and use ChatGPT on any computer. So let's start by opening up your web browser, and in the search bar type in chat.openai.com, or you can click on the link that's in the description box below. Once you're there, click on sign up. Next, enter your email and create a password. Then head over to your email to verify the account. Once your email has been verified, head back over to chat.openai.com and log in with your email and password. Enter your first and last name, then verify your phone number. Now, this is what your ChatGPT home screen is going to look like. You have a few options on the left side of your screen. You can start a new thread, toggle dark mode on and off, open AI Discord, check on updates and FAQ, and log out. In the center here, you're shown examples, capabilities, and limitations of ChatGPT. And on the bottom here is where you can enter your questions and search terms. If you'd like to learn more on how to further customize ChatGPT, click on the video that pops up here. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.